who loved to play with dolls. One night, Mommy and Daddy had a little argument. She didn't like that, so she went away